Welcome back to a new clean with me. I think I'm gonna start making a new clean with me and uploading it every week for you guys. You guys really seem to like these videos. Let me know what you guys think in the comments if that's something that you guys would like. But a little update for you guys. We got 2 new kitties, Yuki and Tofu. Let me know if you guys spot them at all in this video. They're absolutely so adorable, and it has been such a joy to have them in the house. I haven't had kitties in a year. And honestly, it's about to get a little crazy here because I'm actually getting my dream dog tomorrow. I'm so excited, but I know puppies are crazy and they chew on everything. And if you're not potty training them off the bat, they will pee in your house. So I'm hoping that's something I can train them like maybe the first couple of weeks that they get here, because that is a no-go for me. I love a clean house, so I'm a little nervous for this. Just wanted to give you guys a little teeny update on my life. But as you guys can see in the beginning of the video, I did put away some TJ Maxx / Home Goods stuff away in the basket, which I all got before I started cleaning. And I'm so excited, you guys, because you guys can see I now have a dining room table. I didn't have that before. I actually just got it in a couple of days ago, and the marble slab was way too heavy for me to pick it up. So my boyfriend's friend had to come over and help us. Shout out to him, because without him, we probably couldn't have gotten up. I literally couldn't even lift it like 1 centimeter off the ground. I just couldn't. It's a 2-person lift, so it was very much needed. I'm so thankful for my boyfriend and his friends. As you guys can see, before this, I did clean the restroom. Let me know if you guys mind me cleaning the litter. I mean, I just want to keep it real with you guys, and that's something I do on a daily basis. So I just incorporate it into my video. But if you guys don't like it, just let me know and I won't put it in anymore. I did make it a little shorter than the last video, just because I didn't want too much of that in the video. You can also see that I also did add a console table, which I am obsessed with. I think it adds so much to the house and it looks so good. And it's also convenient for my little purse.
Love. Miss Independent, I be loving how you winning. I just wanna go catch your vibe. Ay.
We do not wear shoes in the house, so I'm always constantly putting the shoes in the shoe closet, because when we walk in from whatever we were doing that day, we just kick them off at the entryway. The sandals that you guys do see me wearing in the house, they're just used for indoors. This little man is so curious. He's always trying to play with everything. So just to get him out of the way and make sure he doesn't get hit with the broom, I just lift him up while I'm sweeping up the rest of the stuff.
That's what's on my mind, on my mind.
Before starting the dishes, I'm just going ahead and putting away all of the dishes that were in the dishwasher.
Can we do some late night stretching? Or can we do some late night sexing? Cause talking ain't enough and pictures ain't enough. I'm tired of the late night texts. Look, you been leading me on for a minute. Trying to catch a vibe, pick a song and I'm with it. Girlfriends calling your phone. You should.
Thankfully, there wasn't too many dishes. I think just like a few plates, cups, utensils, and a pan. You guys, do you guys see Hollow? I cannot with her. I always have to redirect her because she hops on the counter. She's been doing it more often, which is kind of shocking because before she wouldn't. But I think just because she's getting like so curious and maybe she's just comfortable doing it, she's just doing it more now.
That double take, that's on my mind, my mind, my mind, my mind, my mind, my mind.
Something about cleaning the sink is so satisfying. I don't know if it's because all of the bubbles and stuff, but it is so satisfying.
On my mind.
You guys can see here that I'm redirecting her and taking her off of the counter, but also giving her some smooches because she is adorable.
Miss Independent, I be loving how you winning. I just wanna go catch your vibe.
You guys can see on the counter that I actually got a new water fountain for them. It is so cute. It has like a little flower on the top and an LED light. My other one, my boyfriend pointed out to me that it looked like a toilet. Which I mean, like, now I see it, but like I was so excited when I got it, and it was way cheaper because usually these things go for like $35, and that's just way too much.
Sweet wine, give me that double take. That's on my mind.
Honestly, cleaning the stove is like my least favorite thing to clean. I don't know why. I just don't like it that much.
That's what's on my mind. Exit 110 and hit the 210, cause baby, I'm in your section. I know you like to work out, mama. Can I get a late night session? Can we do some late night stretching? Or can we do some late night sexing? Cause talking ain't enough and pictures ain't enough. I'm tired of the late night texts. Look, you been leading me on for a minute. Trying to catch a vibe, pick a song and I'm with it. Girlfriends calling your phone, you should miss it. Why you acting tough when you know you submissive? Calling your bluff on the roll, ain't switching. Ringing doorbell and the rose came with it. And if you really with it, yeah, rose came with it.
The living room is the last thing that I'm gonna have to pick up. After that, we're just gonna get into mopping. But honestly, we have all these pillows and they always get rearranged because every night we watch our fave show and just chill. So the couch is never always like neat just because there's so many pillows and blankets and we use it every single day.
That's what's on my mind, on my mind.
Mopping is getting harder and harder for me because the more furniture we're adding in the house, the more there is to move and like kind of go around, which I don't really like, but also I like the way the house is coming together. Now we're all done and have a clean home. She's looking good. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.